To add the indicator to a chart, you drag and drop from the Expert Advisors tab onto the chart. Here you select your pivot point, and the scale, which is set to a daily time frame. You should now see that the indicator is active by a smiley face in the top right hand corner of the screen. You also see the pivot line in blue as displayed here. To move the pivot line to a desired location, click and drag the line to a pivot point of your desire. To get more granular on the support and resistance lines, right click on the screen, go to Expert Advisor, Properties, and change the scale. I like to use factors of 10. As you can see, the price has respected these lines inside the range we had marked previously. Here's a demonstration of how to use Gann Square and I on Bitcoin. Again, we'll drag the indicator onto the screen. We'll select the pivot price of 12,000 and we'll add a scale of 1,000 to the price of Bitcoin. Then drag the pivot price or line to the top Bitcoin. As you can see, we have a drop down to the 90-degree line in Bitcoin, and price has respected these levels of 45. We can also change the scale to give more levels inside the price action of Bitcoin. Right click on the screen, Expert Advisor, or Properties, and now we'll change it to 500. Click OK. Again, you'll have to adjust the pivot point to the close, and now you have a lot more levels inside the price. Where Bitcoin has respected the Gann levels. I hope you enjoyed this presentation, and happy trading.